We are currently on the way to Planet Ford just to pick up some oil and a filter. I'm about to reach 500 miles on the motor, so I was gonna go ahead and swap out to a full synthetic oil. So right now we're headed to go pick that up. I'll probably just do it at the house later tonight. I got a lot of questions about why I switched from the Supra to the Mustang, and I just kind of want to go over that and let everybody know. It's pretty simple. The reason was price per horsepower. To mod the Supra and upgrade it to where I want it to be power wise, it was just too much money, to be honest. And the car had like 56K on it, so I felt like it was too late in the game to be I mean, it's probably not too late to be modifying the vehicle, but I just feel like to be like just now getting started with modding it, like besides downpipe tune obviously, but it's like actually go do like extensive mods on the car. I just felt like it was like a little too late, you know what I'm saying, like reliability wise. So, and it was just too much to spend, to be honest, like to get the turbo, you know, turbo kit, cooling, fuel, transmission's a big one, get like a back tire. It was just too much, bro. And we priced out, before I bought this car, we priced out how much it would be to, you know, boost it and get to like that 7, then to 8, then to 900 horsepower range. We had it all priced out, and it just made sense to go ahead, trade an old car in, get a brand new car with no miles on it, and then, you know, twin turbo it, Whipple it, whatever. It just made sense, you know? So that's what I did. Went ahead and got this, and now, you know, we can go ahead and modify a brand new car. I just spit there, what the hell? So that's really all it was, man. It was just the price per horsepower. It just made sense to come over to this platform and do it. Because everyone knows, man, them Super Trans, once you get past that, like, I think 600, they start to slip and become not so reliable. So we got 4 cops up at In-N-Out. Hopefully they're not interested in me, because I got no front plate, and they've been pulling over my buddy a lot for no front plate and tint, which I have both of those. So, and I just bought the car, so I don't have that, like, I don't know how Texas does it, because I just moved here, but like back in PA we had an inspection, so we had like 2 little stickers right here. When Texas, everyone has like one little vehicle registration sticker. I don't know if I'm supposed to get that at the dealer, or if I gotta go like to the DMV and pick that shit up. I really have no idea. All I know is I do not have that shit. But I'm not gonna lie too, dude, this shit's growing on me so fast. Even the color, like everyone knew I wanted the white, but I'm so glad I got the gray, bro. Like the more I look at the white, it's just so plain. There's like there's no flake in it, bro. It's just like literally a flat white. And I saw this car on Lagunas, like on a beadlock, and that shit looks so good, bro. It was either between like Lagunas or Belmonts. I'm definitely going Lagunas for sure. I just low-key want to try and find like a nice deal on Marketplace, get like a set of Lagunas with tires already on them, and exterior mods, but I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to get like a front lip. I mean, I do want to get one eventually, but I don't know like what I want to do first. Or like take that little spoiler off that comes with the car, because I'm pretty sure it's just 3M'd on. I don't think it's drilled on. So I think you literally just heat it up with a heat gun and take some like fishing line and just pull it through, and then get something a little more aggressive. I'm trying to go fast, bro. I'm trying to build some fast shit. That's why I came here. It's literally why I moved to Texas, bro. The car scene is just my favorite. That's one thing too, bro. When you move down to like a big city like this, like, bro, people do not care when they drive. Like, they will straight up, they will hit your shit, bro. They do not care. Like, they will merge. Like, they'll put on the blinker. You think they're gonna wait? Nah, bro. They will merge right into your shit. I'm trying to use Google Maps, like, not as much. I'm trying to like force myself to remember where shit is, which I'm actually getting pretty good at, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I know my area pretty well, like where I live. Yeah, here we go. See service, where's parts? Watch out, little Tesla. Alright, we just got that shit. Like 10 quarts and a filter, 114 bucks. I guess not horrible for like a dealer price, but I definitely could have got that shit cheaper. Like, definitely could have got that shit cheaper somewhere else. But I need it today, so like, it's whatever. I just cannot wait to do a pull in this thing. I literally haven't gone, like, I've maybe hit 4K like twice, bro. 4K RPMs. I haven't went past 3 for the most part. I just can't wait to do a pull. I'm trying to get these miles low key. About to go home, work, swap this oil, and then take a fat ass drive tonight. There's some NA shit going on in San Antonio this weekend, and Ears wanted me to go, so low-key might, well, actually, I'd probably get the mileage done on the way to San Antonio regardless, but I'm gonna try and go out there this weekend, potentially, and just get some runs in. I'm gonna try and find some Lagunas before then, and then that way when we go out there, try and get some runs, just see what the car is like, you know, just stock on a tire with some weight reduction. Just trying to have some fun. I'll probably lose to like 99% of shit there, but like, I'm trying to have some fun. I don't really care if I lose or not. I just kind of want to get a baseline. I might even I'm gonna drag you the car too, low key. Drag you the car, see where we're at. I've been in the road for like the last 3 weeks. I need to pick that shit up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I just wanted to figured, you know, might as well POV to the dealership, and I just want to answer why I traded in the Supra for the Mustang. I mean, it's a pretty simple answer, man. Just price per horsepower. That's what it comes down to at the end of the day. But if you guys like the video, make sure to drop a like, drop a sub, all that shit, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.